Hi everyone, Mike Marbach here, and this is the Santa Rosa toilet from Kohler. Compact in size, this Santa Rosa toilet is perfect for those who want to fit an elongated toilet into a small space. Its one-piece design offers a distinct high-end look, and without tank seams, it's extremely easy to clean. Best of all, it's loaded with power. Rather than a standard flapper valve, this Santa Rosa toilet features a patented flush engine. There's no flapper, which means no leaks, no problems. It's just full-out power. Plus, this toilet provides 50% more rinse than previous Kohler models, giving you a cleaner bowl after every flush. Now let's talk water savings. This WaterSense certified toilet features a 1.28 gallon flush, which means you'll save about $100 a year on your water bill compared to an older 3.5 gallon toilet. Another great feature of the Santa Rosa toilet is comfort height seating. Kohler comfort height toilets are about the height of a standard chair, making it much easier to sit and stand. At Kohler, we build the finest toilets you can buy. No matter which you choose, Kohler toilets are engineered to save water without sacrificing performance, and they're built to last for years to come.